How about you start the new year with a cozy campfire goodness by making these gluten-free s'mores pancakes featuring a marshmallow cream, roasted marshmallows, crumbled graham crackers, and shaved dark chocolate. Let's get cooking and be sure to take a look at all the instructions on the website. I hope this gives you some pancake inspiration for 2023. So I'm starting out with the dried ingredients and adding my flour into a large bowl. This here is an all-purpose flour which is gluten-free and mostly consists of free grain and bean-based flours. Then add in your sugar, baking powder, and crushed graham crackers. Mix that well and set that aside for now. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding in the milk, egg, vanilla extract, and some butter, which I'm gonna melt and add right in. Whisk that well and then start to pour this wet mixture into the bowl of your dried ingredients. You really don't want to overmix. Some lumps are actually fine for pancakes. What you do want to look for is a consistency that's thick but pourable. I realized later on that the bean-based flour needs much less moisture than regular flour, and since I had based this recipe from my recipe for buttermilk pancakes, I knew I had messed up. Initially I used 1 cup of the gluten-free flour, but eventually added more flour to a total of about 2 2/3 cups, which you would see in the recipe card. So we're good. So once you have the pancake batter ready, just set that aside and then heat up a non-stick pan on medium heat. And once hot, add in about 1/4 cup of the batter. You'll eventually start to see bubbles starting to appear on the surface and the underside will become nice golden brown. Don't let that get too dark, then you can flip the pancake. For me, a fish spatula is the best thing to flip pancakes, to flip anything really. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook the underside for 1 or 2 more minutes. Just set that aside onto a baking sheet and then put that in an oven heated to 200 Fahrenheit while you make the rest of the pancakes. Now while that's going on, you can start on a double boiler and then we can start working on the marshmallow cream. Add a handful of the marshmallows into the double boiler with a touch of milk and let that start to melt away. Eventually you should be able to whisk this mixture and just keep that warm until the pancakes are ready to serve. And let me know what's your favorite moment with s'mores in the comments down below. Now you can prep your stack of pancakes and once you're happy with it, top that up with a couple spoonfuls of your marshmallow cream and top that with more mini marshmallows, and the marshmallow cream should keep the marshmallows in place. The fun part now. Grab a flambe torch and then start roasting away. Be careful, be safe, and keep an eye on it. Don't let it get out of hand because it is a lot of fun. Then, once you're happy with it, top it with some grated or shaved dark chocolate and some more crumbled graham crackers. Subscribe to the channel if you want to treat yourself to special and delicious food whenever you want. You want more s'mores? This is the perfect time of the year to enjoy my s'mores hot chocolate. Bye all.